Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can install the official Pixel Experience ROM on your OnePlus 70 device easily. So make sure to watch the video till the very end to avoid any confusion. And you can get my Instagram link in the description below. You can directly search SnapTech. And after that, you can message me there if you have any problem or if you have any video request. So my name is Rohit and you're watching SnapTech. So let's get started. The only requirement to flash this ROM on your device is unlock bootloader, and if you don't know how to do that, there will be a link in top right corner. Just click that and unlock your device bootloader and continue along with this video, and then download all the files from the description below. So after this, connect your device in fastboot mode to your PC. So I will do that now. So as you can see, currently I'm running on Oxygen OS 11 based on Android 11. So now I will show you one thing, that I have removed my pin pattern, anything which I had on my device security. So you can do it as well, as I think it may not cause any problem. So I just take this step, I don't know why. You can do this or not, it's up to you. So after this, just power off your device. And once it's shut down, just hold volume up, volume down and power key to boot into fastboot mode. So as you can see, I am currently in fastboot mode and my device state is unlocked. So now connect your device to your PC. And then move back to your PC. So once you have connected your device in fastboot mode to your PC, just click on the search icon and type in CMD. After that, type fastboot devices. And if you can see some strings of number along with fastboot written beside it, that means your PC has detected your device in fastboot mode. And if not, there will be a link in description below for the drivers for fastboot. You can download that, and after that your PC will definitely detect your device in fastboot mode. So once it's done, just type in fastboot flash boot, then minimize this window and just copy the name of this file. As you can see, copy the whole name along with this img in the end and press Ctrl C on your keyboard to copy. Then open your CMD again and press paste, and after that paste the file name. As you can see, the whole thing over here, and then press enter. As you can see, the image file has been flashed on our device. So after that, move back to your device again. So once you have flashed that image file, you will be on this screen on your device. Then remove your device from your computer, just disconnect it, and then just press your power key once on this start. And you will be on this Pixel Experience recovery mode. Then connect your device again to your PC, as I am doing here. Then just click this volume down button once, and once you apply update, just press this power key once, and then just press this power key once again once you see this apply from ADB, and then just keep your phone aside and move back to your PC. So once you're on your PC again, just again click on this search icon and type in CMD, and after this type in ADB side load. And then I will minimize this window and just copy the name of this file. I will right click, rename, copy the whole file name including the .zip in the end, and press Ctrl C. Then go back to your CMD, press space, then paste it over here and press enter. And you will be seeing some kind of codes running on your device at this time. So once it's done on your device, just press your power key again on apply from ADB, and then type in ADB side load space and copy this Pixel Experience ROM file name which you downloaded. Just I'll right click and click on rename and copy this entire file including the .zip at the end. Then Ctrl C to copy. Then go back to your CMD and Ctrl V to paste and press enter. So until you are waiting now, if you can just subscribe to my channel, it will be really amazing for me. Thank you. So as you can see, our flashing process has been done now. So I'll change my camera angle to show you my device. So once you install the Pixel Experience, you will be on this screen. Just click on back over here. After this, you will be on this screen. Then just click on factory reset and then just click on format data and factory reset and click on format data. After this, just click on back and just click on reboot system now. And as this is our first boot, it will take some time to boot into our system. And as you can see, our device has been booted up. You can see everything. So I will just set up it fast. So as you can see on the screen now, everything has been set up and we are running on Pixel Experience official version for OnePlus 7T. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please drop a like, and if this videos reach 100 likes, I'll definitely do a review video on this ROM as it will be really interesting. So this is it for this video. I'll meet you in the next one. SnapTech signing out.